All right, friends, so this is the hotspot section. This is where you configure the hotspots. All right, so let's begin. So under the settings, straight to hotspot, we have customer ID prefix. So prefix, you can see I use win as my prefix, and then voucher code length for mobile money. So you can see, and I keep it as short as possible to 6, and that is 6 characters. You can increase it if you so desire. Then voucher code format for mobile money, well, I choose numbers, that is from 0 to 9. That's my preference. And I have my voucher code prefix for mobile money. So the first one is voucher code length for mobile money, and then voucher code format for mobile money, then voucher code prefix for mobile money, so I use WN, and then voucher template. Wow, now I got to realize that a lot has been added few hours ago, and I must congratulate our admin for that. So the developer is doing a very great job, and choose from anyone right here and you are good to go. All right, just select anyone. Right, then we have the captive portal language. Well, we've got a couple of languages here. I am using English because apparently that's the only language I understand right here. All right, so hotspot template background, so you can click browse. That is if you have a pre-designed background which you want to use. The choice is yours. All right, so prone inactive users after some time, so you want to actually take some inactive users out of the system. But then I leave mine set to never. Yes, the reason is that if something happened, we can still trace that MAC address. We can trace the person who use that voucher. And then we have redirect URL. Well, so when you connect, when you pay online and then it connects, or when you're connected, it will redirect you to Google automatically. Well, auto reconnect. Now, should your client disconnect and want to reconnect, initially we've been using IP binding, but then please switch it to MAC cookie, which is great, so that the user can be added back, provided he or she or provided his time has not elapsed. All right, or provided the time does not elapse, and that is going to work well for that person. All right, so device remember duration. So how many days do you want to remember a device? Well, I just leave mine set to 365, but then I don't know why you might want to do that, but I have my reason. So you can leave it set to 30 days. That is good. Now, show device limit on portal. Now, you know something, that are sometimes when you create a ticket and you want maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 users to use one ticket, this is where you are going to actually show it on the portal, that is on the captive portal. All right, so that is that. Now, align on we've got allow online sales. So so that you can sell it online, that is the people will tap to buy the packages and all those things, and everything is just working, is going to work well. So always make sure this is turned on, because if it's not on, you will not be able to sell voucher online. Okay, your client will not be able to purchase vouchers online. All right, so we have physical voucher allocation, so you can actually print vouchers down, give it to someone at a shop, and let's say I want mine to be Aplau or police station right there. So you can see I have it right there, and it's going to be there. Next, I have enable feedback. Yes, I always turn it on because I want to get feedback from my clients, from my hotspot users. Very, very important. I've got advertisement settings. So the advertisement settings right here enables you to actually post a short video on your captive portal for people to actually enjoy. Now, this is going to benefit the ISPs. The reason is very simple. Clients or people can see it as an avenue of advertisement, and they would pay you some amount of money so that you could advertise their businesses for them. So you charge something cool and get it done. Well, image display duration. So honestly, you have to enable the advertisement, autoplay videos, and then loop ads. So all those things must be added. Well, max image size is 5 mbp. Is 5 MB. That's 5 megabytes. And then also the image display duration is 15 seconds. No wahala. Now we have max video size. So the video size, you can actually increase it or decrease it depending on the router you guys are using. I don't know, but then if you want to give it a redirection URL, I think that is gonna be the best. Well, this is one cool feature I like: tethering protection. You know, some users buy voucher, okay, a single voucher, and then turn on their hotspot for other people to actually connect and use. Well, my people, you have to turn this on so that it disables that feature for them. Very, very important. So action when detected. So the action is what? To block it, okay? Block that voucher. Very, very important. All right, so free trial settings. So enable free trial. Well, I actually have a free trial, and then free trials per device should just be once, and don't leave it set to twice or whatever. Then we have verify phone number. Very important. Verify that phone number before you allow that free trial, and do not allow the people to enable, or do not allow the people to reset their trial. Okay, after their trial is completed, do not allow them to set it up. And when you are done with that, I think that is all, and you have to save your changes. And that is how, friends, you do that basic configuration right here inside the system.